Hello friends, for today's video, guess what we're gonna make? A delicious bologna sandwich. Veggie bologna. So it's vegelogna. So we're gonna put together a delicious sandwich that you can have for breakfast or for lunch or even for dinner. Because we don't have to eat too heavy or sometimes I talk too much. So let's get to this. Alright, so this is a company called Eden Valley. And they're based right here in Jamaica. So they make plant-based meat substitutes, right? So this is Eden Valley's Vegelogna. Vegelogna. So we're gonna make a sandwich with these. So we're gonna take out one of this. This is what it looks like. We're gonna just fry this up. Paprika stuff. Paprika. Salt. Let's a sea salt. And put that over. Some cucumbers, some few leaves of spinach, tomatoes, and some fried plantain, some sweet ripe fried plantain. So we got assemble a sandwich now. So what we have here is some homemade mayonnaise. So you just base the bread with this. This mayonnaise, I just made it from flaxseed and some seasoning, garlic. I have a video up on how to make your own vegan mayo at home. That's it. So I got a pattern, some sweet ripe fried plantain, and they are fried, so a nice sweet caramelized flavor here. Then we're gonna add tomatoes. Alright. Look at that. Tastes so good. The sweetness I plant and tie everything together. Now, if you're transitioning to plant-based, you should definitely give this one a try. Eden Valleys. You can't find them in your supermarkets. I've seen them in a couple of supermarkets that I've been in. So just check in your local supermarket. And you see that plant-based, when you're eating plant-based food, you're not missing anything at all. In fact, you're gaining. So yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more recipes and delights. Until next time, eat well, walk good. Blessed love to you. Oh gosh. This tastes so good.